Hello and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Today we're going to have a look at a accessory kit for an action cam like GoPro or an GoPro. The kit I have is a 120 piece. I have no idea what's in it, so we'll have a look and see if we can work it all out. Comes in a nice case. This is sort of hard. It's not hard plastic, but it's a hardened case. Like I say, it's a 120 piece, and hold up, there's quite a bit in there. Okay, first thing, got a cardboard box. In the box is a tripod. Very small tripod, but I suppose ideal for putting on the table. So there we go, a tripod. I'll put that back in the box for the moment. Next we have loads. I'll start off with stuff I know. A floating bobber, as it's called, for your GoPro. So if you're doing stuff in water, if you drop it, it won't sink. That's the second thing. There are absolutely loads of stuff in. I don't know where to start. Okay, we've got another bag here. Seems to be a strap. That looks to me like a head mount. You go on your head, GoPro fits on the front, so there's a head mount. I know what this one is, so that's another easy one to describe. Here, a suction cup, always handy, adjustable. One suction cup. Here we have another. This one isn't a suction cup, but it comes with 3M sticky pad. So all that way, you stick that down somewhere and fix your camera onto that. Don't know what that's called. Find out later, I suppose. And we have some storage bags. I don't know why, but there we have some. We have another tripod. There we go. This one is with the bendy legs, like a Martian. There we go. So we've got one of them. So that will come in handy. There we go. No one can do without one of these. It's a monopod or selfie stick, whatever. Apparently, I think I read somewhere it's about 225 mil to I think it was 1,000 mil long, which, yeah, probably is. It's about a meter. So that's your monopod or selfie stick. Still got quite a bit in here to go through. Another strap, that's on the description. There we go. This is a body harness, so that will fit around you with the plate to the front where your camera can clip into. Don't know if people can see these. I'll probably have to put pictures up so that'll be easier, but there we go, body harness. Another one here, I don't know what this one is. I have no idea what this one is. It's a strap or something. Oh, is that the one? This might be for the wrist. But there you go, you've got another bracket that holds your camera and the strap. So I would have thought that's probably for a wrist. I've seen you can actually put them on your wrist. I might be for that. Also got, keep watching, another strap. I will have to look to see what this one is for. We've still got another bag. This time we've got a mount for a pole, so I presume you can put that on handlebars. I think it's called a roll bar mount. I've got a couple of notes here, that's why I keep looking over, but I think that's a roll bar mount, so there you go. Ah, the last one, wasn't quite sure what that was, just worked out what this is. It's for your cycle helmet, that clips on the top of your cycle helmet. Then you fit your camera onto that, or you've got a bar that goes on, which fits onto the helmet. I'll have to show a picture, so the camera can go in front of your head. But I'll put some pictures up, it'll be so much easier. Those are double-sided sticky tabs, more double-sided sticky tabs, more double-sided sticky tabs. So I've got about 4 packets of double-sided sticky tabs. Another storage bag, so I've got 3 of these. Not sure why. There we go. Another strap. If I can get it out. Okay. Just a strap. Work out later. That'll be for something. Then we've got another type of mount, which again would fit on a pole, I think, of some description. Maybe a bit bigger than the roll bar mount, but there you go. Another adaptation for you. Then we've got, that's another pole mount. Just the mountain bracket. Can you see them? Yeah. And some of these, just screws on there, I don't know. We'll work out later if we need them, but we've got a bag of those sort of assortments. We have got another bag of those clip mounts, I think they're called. I don't know what this is. Ooh. We've got some sticky pads. And quite a few of these type of clips. So it looks like you can stick these down different places and just leave them there so you can fix the camera on whenever you need it. So we've got a bag of those. I don't know what that's for. There you go, never mind. And one last bag of all assorted bits by the look of it. Yeah, I haven't got quite a few of these. Don't know if you need more than one, but there you go, a lot of these little brackets. So we've got some more sticky tabs, you can fix them down, or they've got a screw fitting so they can fit onto the monopod or the tripods. And there are all the fittings for that. And that is about it. So there's quite a lot of stuff in this bag. How much of it will be used, I don't know. But I'm quite pleased with it. And I think if you're buying a GoPro or no Pro for the first time, for the price of one of these little kits, I think it's well worth the money. Because I think if you went through like GoPro themselves and ordered a selfie stick and then I think the Gorilla tripods, those sort of thing, will probably cost you quite a bit, where you can get all this for like £20 odd, £30. And if there's anything you do need later on, I suppose you can add to it. But yeah, I'm very pleased with the haul. I'm very happy with what you get. I will add some pictures of what's in here. And I will start using them and see how I get on. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give us a like, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. It all helps for the channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.